Welcome everyone. Hello sir. Hello friends. I hope you are doing well. Before we start, let me ask you a simple question. Do you know on what basis large organizations like United Nations, European Union, ECOWAS, like CDAO French, make a decision regarding projects or the activities they implement? Any idea?
I don't know, but I'm curious about it.
Okay.
I don't
Okay.
know. Let explain us.
Okay, it's based on data. So most of the time decisions are based on data, but data do not come automatically. They follow a process. This is why it is important to understand how data are connected. So my name is Kevin Agoyon. I'm statistician. Today I will present the data collection process. Now that you know the topic of my presentation, let me briefly present my plan. So first I will explain what is data collection. After I will describe the main steps of the data collection process. Finally, I will end with a conclusion. So, what is data collection? Data collection is a process of gathering information. In other words, that data collections help us transform information into knowledge. Now that we understand what is data collection, let us move to the first step. The first step is to define the objective. At this stage, we ask questions such as, what do you want to know? Why do we need this data? Without a clear objective, the data collection may not be useful. May I continue?
Yes, you can.
Thanks. Now that the objective is clear, let us identify the type of data needed. Step 2. In this step, we decide what type of data we need. Do we want number and measure, or do we want opinion and experience, or do we want both of them? This choice helps us to choose between quantitative, qualitative, and missing data. So, what type of data do you prefer? Do you often prefer to collect, Marilyn or Betty?
Qualitative data.
Me too.
Betty? Okay.
Me too. Quantitative data.
Okay. Yes, me too. I prefer quantitative data because they are easy to analyze. After identifying the data needed, we select the target population. This is step 3. Step 3, it is select the target population. This means identify the specific group that will provide the data. This group may include students, households, or project beneficiary or other person. Now that we know who will provide the data, let us see how we can collect it. This is step 4. The step 4, choose data collection methods. Common methods include uh, survey, interview or discussion, observation, and document review. The method chosen depends on the objective of the study. After choosing the method, we need concrete tools to apply them in step 5. Step 5, design and select data collection tools. These tools include questionnaire, key informant, interview guide, focus group, discussion guide, and observation guides or checklists. Some of these tools may already be familiar to you, Alberic.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now that the tools are ready, we can move to the field. The step 6, collect the data. This stage, data can be collected through face-to-face interview, phone calls, or online survey by Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or sending a survey link in mail. After collecting the data, we must make sure they are a good quality. After collecting the data, it is important to check data qualities. This is the step 7. So this stage, this includes checking completeness, accuracy, and consistency. This step, this step ensure that the data are reliable. Finally, once the data are verified, we move to the last step, the step 8, store and prepare data. In this stage, we keep the data safe and prepare them for analysis. This allows the data to be used effectively for reporting and decision making. To conclude, data collection is a case process in any study or project. Clear objectives, appropriate methods, good tools, and quality control lead to reliable data. If something is not clear, please feel me free to ask. I'm now ready to answer your your question. Thank you. Question?
Thank you,
It's
Kevin, for
okay for me.
this
Everything
great
is
presentation.
clear.
Yeah, same for me. Quite neat.
I don't have a question also. Thank you for your presentation. That was clear. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. So the main message in this presentation is good data collection ensure reliable results. This is the main message, the main result of the data. So thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.
Perfect.